Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to center a servo. Begin by powering the servo to its neutral position and observing the horn alignment. Use a 1 ms to 2 ms servo tester or controller to move endpoints and find midpoint. Adjust linkages or trim using potentiometer or transmitter subtrim until horn sits square. Confirm by disconnecting power, then reapplying to verify consistent center. Repeat on every servo to ensure reliable control. In this video, I will show how to center a servo. Start by collecting a servo tester, transmitter, and a stable 5V supply for reliable readings. Mount the servo securely so the horn can move freely without binding. Move endpoints to 1 ms and 2 ms positions, then find the midpoint by eye or meter. Use transmitter subtrim or a linkage tweak to fine-tune. Test movement through full travel to confirm. In this video, I will show how to center a servo. First, set endpoints to 1 ms and 2 ms so the tester or radio gives consistent extremes. Command the midpoint and gently centralize the horn by hand while loosening the linkage clevis. Tighten the linkage while maintaining the centered position to lock it in. Cycle power and retest multiple times to ensure the servo consistently returns to the true center.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.